Hello everyone, this is me Deboshmita Sarkar. Today we are going to discuss about the topic motion and time. So let's begin. What is motion? In physics, motion is the phenomenon in which an object changes its position over time. Motion is mathematically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed and time. The motion of a body is observed by attaching a frame of reference to an observer and measuring the change in position of the body relative to that frame with change in time. The branch of physics describing the motion of objects without reference to its cause is kinematics. The branch studying forces and their effect on motion is dynamics. Laws of motion. In physics, motion of massive bodies is described through two related sets of mechanics. Motions of all large scale and familiar objects in the universe, such as cars, projectiles, planets, cells, and humans, are described by classical mechanics, whereas the motion of very small atomic and subatomic objects is described by quantum mechanics. Historically, Newton and Euler formulated three laws of classical mechanics. The first law is, in an object either remains at rest or continues to move at a constant unless acted upon by a acceleration. The second law is, in an inertial reference frame, the vector sum of the forces F on an object is equal to the mass m of that object multiplied by the acceleration of the object, that is F is equals to m into a, which in the without symbols means force is equals to mass into acceleration. If the resultant force F acting on a body or an object is not equals to 0, the body will have an acceleration which is in the same direction as the resultant. The third law is, when one body exerts a force on the second body, the second body simultaneously exerts a force equals in magnitude and opposite in direction on the first body. Types of motion. The 6 types of motion are rectilinear motion, circulatory motion, rotational motion, periodic motion, oscillatory motion, and vibratory motion. First is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion is another name for straight line motion. This type of motion describes the movement of a particle or a body. A body is said to experience rectilinear motion if any two particles of the body travels the same distance along two parallel straight lines. Circular motion. In physics, circular motion is a movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. It can be uniform with constant angular rate of rotation and constant speed, or non-uniform with a changing rate of rotation. Rotational motion. Purely rotational motion occurs if every particle in the body moves in a circular circle about a single line. This line is also called the axis of rotation. Then the radius vectors from the axis to all particles undergo the same angular displacement at the same time. The axis of rotation need not go through the body. Periodic motion. In physics, motion repeated in equal intervals of time. Periodic motion is performed, for example, by a rocking chair, a bouncing ball, a vibrating turning fork, a swing in motion, the earth in its orbit around the sun, and a water wave. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is defined as the to and fro movement of an object from its mean position. The ideal condition of that the object can be in oscillatory motion forever in the absence of friction, but in the real world this is not possible and the object has to settle into equilibrium. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion can be described as an object moving, swinging back and forth, moving up and down, pulsating, spinning, or vibrating. Swinging pendulums, swings, metronomes are the example of vibratory motion. Moving up and down, side to side, fixed springs out of equilibrium, seesaws, wave patterns, ocean waves, sound waves, radio waves, light waves, etc. String instruments, protons, neutrons in a nucleus, the human voice, vocal cords, a tuning fork. Objects subjected to the resonating frequencies. So here we came to the end of our video. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.